हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम पृथ्वीराज काकतकर है और मैं बेलगाम कर्नाटका से हूँ। टुडे आई एम हियर टू शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंस आई हैव कम अक्रॉस आफ्टर आई हैव जॉइंड भूपेंद्र फिटनेस क्लब. So it goes like I was detected with diabetes approximately 2 years ago. So 2 years ago when I got detected, I was very depressed and I was not understanding what to do. So first thing first, I consulted my doctor. He had put me on medications, and I just started off with that. And then after that, I started following each and everything which I used to come across over the internet, like dalchini khao, methi ke dane khao, ye khao, wo khao, and I tried everything, but I could not succeed even a bit in controlling my diabetes. Apart from that, I was weighing around 95 to 96 kilograms at that time, and also before I joined Bhupendra Sir's fitness club. So I was struggling with everything. I was struggling with my diabetes, I was struggling with my weight, and I was struggling with my daily routine. I was struggling with my health. So apparently, just like while scrolling Instagram for new ideas to reduce my diabetes, to reduce my weight, I came across Bhupendra Sir's Instagram feed video on Bhupendra Fitness Club. So I just said, let's give it a try, and I just scrolled through the video. I checked the profile and everything, and I thought that I'll take a session. I'll take a session with him for a day. So I got an appointment fixed, or then I got the session, and at that point of time I started realizing that what he is trying to tell me, it makes sense somehow, because till date nobody had guided me or nobody had instructed me about diabetes or weight loss in the way that Bhupendra Sir guided me. So I thought that I'll just go ahead and I'll see what happens, and I joined the program. That was 2 months ago. So as I said, when 2 months ago also when I joined the program, I was still weighing 96 kilograms. So now what happened is, after in 2 months time, as days passed, every week I started following the workout sessions that Bhupendra Sir conducts online. And apart from that, I also started going on walks in the evening as I was instructed, and I started following the diet pattern very strictly, avoiding everything what I used to eat which was unnecessary for my body. So, and as a result, I'll tell you, as a result, in the first month itself, first one and a half month, I lost around approximately 6 to 7 kilograms of my weight, and I started feeling very lighter. And today, after 2 months, I have lost around 10.5 kgs of my weight. So as I said, it was 96 at the beginning of this program, and today it is 84 and a half kilos. So because of this, I started feeling very lighter in myself. I was waking up fresh, because before that, whenever I used to wake up, I was very lethargic. I used to feel very down. I used to feel very lazy. I used to feel very, very unfresh. But now when I wake up, I'm completely fresh. I don't feel the need of sleep in the afternoons and all, because earlier I used to feel that I want to sleep for an hour or so at least in the afternoon. I couldn't control my sleep at that time, but now that is not the case. And now I have also started losing a lot of weight, and my diabetes is also very much in control, which earlier my diabetes used to it used to be fasting, it used to be 140 to 150, and after my meals or after my food, it used to be around 190, 200, 230, 250, varying depending on what I used to eat. But now, after I have cracked, with the help of Bhupendra Sir, after I have cracked what exactly is to be had and how we are supposed to manage diabetes, now my readings are like 110, at the best 110, 115 in the morning fasting. And after I've had my lunch or dinner or breakfast, it never goes beyond 125, 30. That is it. I've never seen that reading going beyond 130. So I was very much happy, and provided the best part is, in only 2 months of time, my doctor has reduced my medications to half. what I used to eat earlier. Today I have come down to half of the medications what I used to consume earlier. So that is also another best part, because I didn't want to be dependent on medications. So if in case I would have come to know about Bhupendra Sir's fitness club before consulting the doctor, I would have never gone on medications probably. He would have just helped me manage without the medications. So this is my whole story. I have also shared my pictures, what I used to look earlier before joining the program and how do I look now. So it is very, very encouraging that Bhupendra Sir personally is present on the workout sessions in the morning. He helps you through, he guides you through. If you want to talk to him at any point of time, he is available. He'll give you time. He'll talk through your problems and all. So, and the best part is the entire team is always present for you. They always insist you on sending the meal pictures, sending the kilometers of the pictures of the kilometers you have walked for the day and the workouts you have done. So and they precisely ask you for everything that you have, the 3 meals that you have had there. You are asked to send the pictures, and if you fail, even if you fail, they don't fail to take the follow-up. So sometimes I feel like people like me, I need somebody who's pushing you from behind to do these things, so we are on right track. This is for me, this is my opinion for myself. So I thought that is the main reason, and of course the guidance of Bhupendra Sir, and these collectively all the reasons are the reason why I have lost my weight, around 10.5 kgs of weight of mine, and I have also been able to control my diabetes, which never goes out of control, and coming down to half of the medications. So it's a really good experience what I have come through, and I thank Bhupendra Sir a lot, because he has really helped me overcome my difficulties, because I used to struggle so much to lose my weight, and even after struggling so much, it was all in vain. I never lost even 1 kg of weight, or forget 1 kg, I even didn't lose half of the kg of my weight. So this is really a good experience, and thank you Bhupendra Sir, and thanks a lot. And it's not only this thank you is not only from me, it's this thank you is from my entire family, who realizes that you have made me overcome all these problems of me. Thank you so much.